Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to recover PIN in Monzo. If your Monzo card gets blocked for security reasons, you can easily recover your PIN by following these steps. Open the Monzo app and go to the Home tab. Scroll to find the card for the affected account, then tap on card details below your card. If you're using the new home screen, select the card option instead. Follow the instructions carefully. You'll need your card, a valid ID, and to record a short selfie video to verify your identity. Remember, Monzo will never ask for your PIN, full card number, or the 3 digits on the back of your card, so keep this information private. Once your identity is confirmed, Monzo will unblock your PIN and display a reminder for you. That's how you can quickly and safely recover your Monzo PIN. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile, and that's it.